We have a light that we can hang up anywhere, adjustable in size, in a hallway, a place of business, an office, or personal. So what we're going to do is demonstrate, show you what this looks like, and show you what's inside the box. We have the universal bracket that you're going to mount on your wall above you. You have the black housing that's going to be mounted on top, and to your wiring, the neutral and load. And you have a 4+ foot cable that you can simply attach this piece with the supplied hardware to the glass on top, like so, via the inside. And of course, you're going to screw on the actual bulb that has the threads on one side over here that has the LED inside that will light this up. Now, it has well protected material on everything, so please be careful when you unwrap it. And we're going to install this and show you what it looks like and lit up. With all the hardware that's given, there is an Allen key that you're going to come over here. And depending on the height you want your unit hung, you're going to loosen this up. The cable's going to slide. And you have this little ring that's going to lock in down here where you want your cable and the height. Find a spot where you want your light and hang up your bracket. Get your AC hooked in, get your grounds wired up, and then work on putting the cover on. A large hand could get through, but please be very careful not to break the glass. You do want to get the unit in the best you can. Washer and bolt. Try to get one in. Lock it down. The hardest part may be screwing this in. You're able to just about get it in there with enough room on the bottom. It is 7-watt LED. What we're going to go do is turn this bad boy on. With the on and off switch and your AC, this is hooked up to a dimmer. It's 7 watts. It's hooked up with the bubbles suspended in air. Now, I have a dimmer switch that I may be able to bring it down to 25%, which won't work for this light. But it will work at 50%, 75%, and 100%. And allow it to dim down if you want to hook it up to a dimmer switch. It is recommended that you keep it on a regular wall switch in a foyer, a hallway, maybe in the bathroom, a very tall room, above a kitchen island. These things are awesome. Let me shut the main light off so you can get the idea of how much throw this has on the floor and the bubbles around. All the lights are off. As you can see how this lamp lights up beautifully from side to side. You can see the brightness over here. Take my hand away, and I do apologize for the camera's angle of view. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of a bubble light fixture, a pendant light that has an adjustable height if you do not cut the cable. Decide the height you want, up to 4 or 5 feet above an island. I hope this product is something that you are looking for that may be right for you.